It's like someone's scratching you for a very long time. 10 seconds down, about 10 more hours to go.
The baby's not here today.
Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to a vlog. We haven't vlogged in a while. I have a really special day today. I'm really excited to share with you guys. If you guys remember, about a year and a half ago, I got this arm tattooed by an artist named Sway, and it was for my big 30th birthday. Well, I'm back to finish off this whole arm. So if you guys want to follow along today, super chill vlog. I kind of know where I want things, so I kind of want to share with you guys on like the planning process of it. And I want to get to know Sway a little bit more. He has a really interesting story. But I'll teleport you guys to LA. Ready, set, go. Boom. What's up, Sway?
What's happening? We back in action.
A year and a half later. Oh my God. So right now we're planning everything out. You've been up to a lot. You've been traveling the world. Still with Senator?
Yeah, still with Senator.
He's opening a shop soon.
Couple new sponsors too.
Yeah.
Hardeen's dispensary in Las Vegas. Sanoderm and After Inked. Okay. And we're opening a shop.
Opening a shop soon. Yeah. So in the next few months, you guys can see him in a new, nice new shop. But right now, we're trying to plan out everything. So like last time, I have ideas, but I don't know exactly where to put them. So I'm gonna give Sway the option of helping me place everything, and then we're gonna do the color scheme of probably mostly black with a lot of shadowing, and then hints of red everywhere.
Yeah, hints of red.
But we'll be right back. I'll show you what we're doing. Ready? All right, guys. 30 minutes later, this right here is supposed to make sense to him. Right there. So he drew on me a bunch. I took my shirt off. You guys don't want to see that. Well, I'll be back in 6 days, right before your birthday.
Yeah.
We're gonna start the first piece right here. When I get home, I'll show you guys what all this means.
We're gonna do that one.
Yeah, it's like right here. The circle with the hash mark, that's what we're getting right here. I'll explain more when I get home. Okay, back in the car. I am beyond excited. We planned it out. I picked a couple pieces. When I get back home, I will show you exactly what my ideas are. While we're sitting there, I didn't pick enough art. Sway was looking at my body and was like, you have more space here, you have more space here. It's like, what do you want to put in there? So we sat there and we brainstormed everything that we wanted, and we started moving pieces around. So we did like 3 different versions of it, and we finally settled on the 3rd version, which I really like the idea of. You don't know until you do it. So when I get home, I'll show you the general idea of what the art may look like. Hi, Aaliyah. Can you say hi to the vlog? I like your dress. Oh, hi, Subi. Holy crap! We just experienced an earthquake just now. Alright, guys. I'm gonna make this ending really quick. So we don't have a lot of paperwork planned yet for the art, because Sway's gonna get it to me in a few days. So I'll make a follow-up video on the tattoo stuff. So you guys can expect probably like a big series of videos, because as of right now, we're doing like 4 or 5 large pieces, and I'll kind of show you guys what it is. So first off, we're gonna have, first session, we'll probably focus on the back and then towards the neck side. So my idea is to have the tattoo peeking it out here on a t-shirt, but when I wear a collared shirt, it'll disappear. So if I have to get a real job one day, I'll be okay. So right here, you guys can see probably a dragon coming down here. And by the way, I'm going full Asian on this tattoo. This tattoo has almost no Asianness in it besides the waves. But this was a light bulb, and this is kind of like a family crest symbol for me. And this is an American flag, and I have like bullet casings back here. So this one is not really Asian except the waves. And then this is full send on the Asianness of mine. So here will be a dragon. Its head right here. And then right behind my back right here is going to be like the Vietnamese temple rooftops, because I grew up a Buddhist for a very long time. So it's going to be right here with a dragon kind of going across it. And then its entire body is going to be wrapped around my arm down to kind of my chest area. And the chest right here, so dragon's head peeking out just a little bit right here. And then right here on my chest side is going to be an ancient Vietnamese drum. So you guys think of like almost like a Mayan calendar, Aztec calendar, blended with some Polynesianness. So that's how the Vietnamese calendar looks. It's a really cool circle. And I'll give you guys more pictures of this later on. But it'll be like right about here, kind of like in my armpit area into my chest, but I don't want a chest plate, my boobies. So it's gonna come down like this, and it's gonna fade off with, and Sway's gonna put it together. It's gonna be with like either more cherry blossoms or a lotus of some sort that it's gonna fade off into it. On the biceps side, which is kind of cool, don't have the biggest biceps, but I'm working on it. I'm gonna have a lotus leaf right about here, and it's gonna be kind of like it's either gonna be like upward view of a lotus, or it's gonna be a side profile of a lotus with kind of patterning. Is that even a word? Patterning. Lotus here because the Buddhist thing again represents my mom also and my oldest sister, because they're like really they're really into the Buddhism part. I grew up for 17 years, and as I'm older, I'm out of it more, but I still kind of follow a lot of the basic life teachings. Lotus here with cherry blossoms on the background and the dragon kind of going right behind it because it kind of flows with the theme. And then on the outer side of the bicep, we're gonna have two koi fish, yin and yang symbols. So like that, and then it's gonna be like swirling around this way. And then in the center of the koi fish, it's gonna have a violet. So my daughter is born in February, so the idea is it's gonna be swirling around the little thing right there. Boop. And then it's gonna continue on, and it's gonna go ahead and wrap around. So that's kind of the ideas that we have right now. And I asked Sway, and I've been bothering him every day. Hey Sway, thank you for being patient with me. And I was like, hey, when do you think you're gonna get it done? I want to show you guys, and I also want to kind of really see it on my body. And he said roughly around this weekend. So it's 4th of July today. Happy 4th of July. And I want to be very patient with him. Want to make sure he does all his work perfectly and correctly, and that way he's in his creative space. Once he gets that done, I'll make a new video for you guys and show you guys. The first session is going to be Monday. So as of right now, it's like, what, 4 to 5 days away. And we're going to be doing a series of videos every time because he's going to do it in sessions. So estimated is an 8-hour first session, which is the back up to the neck right about here of the head. So a big old head. And then the second session, I don't know, depending on how he likes to link him, he might link the chest or the back of the arm or whatever he does, the artist does, but we will start off with the neck. The general idea with the tattoo placement is I didn't want a dragon like eating my nipple. So I wanted it to be covered for professional work, but casual for my style. And then summer, I wear tank tops all the time. Hence I got this like sick sunburn tan right now. And I want to wear the tank top, but I want it to like go into the shirt. Like you see guys at the gym with tank tops or at the beach, and like it has a cut line of the tattoo and the tank top continues. I don't really like that look. I like it kind of blending into it. So I told Sway, hey, I really want to make sure the tattoo goes into the tank top space. So when I'm wearing it, the tattoos are under it. So it doesn't have to be fully exposed tattoo, but at least it's getting covered. So it'd be really cool. And then when I take off my shirt, it looks like, you know, flowing art into my skin. That's kind of the idea that I'm going with. Full Asian on this. I'm older now. I'm like 31, but my mom's opinion still matters to me, ish, kinda. But I already know she's gonna hate the dragon. I think my family and friends will love it a lot, but my mom's gonna hate the dragon. She will appreciate the lotus leaf though. That's definitely for her. But I don't know why I'm going full Asian on this. I guess because I do love my culture and I love the Buddhism side of me. And I think it'd be kind of cool. But if you guys have any questions, leave in comments below. Sway818 is his Instagram if you want to check out the artist. He books often. If you guys are in like the SoCal LA area, definitely worth checking him out. He's opening a shop soon, so I'll make sure I show you guys the new shop. We got some new cool chairs and a lot of cool equipment. So he's going to be opening a new shop. And then he does travel the world. So if you guys want to book, you have to book quickly because it's really hard to get a hold of him. But that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'll link my first tattoo video in the description, along with the pop-up for you guys. And if you guys have any questions, always leave me a comment below. Smurfinwrx DM, Snapchat, everything. Peace out, guys. Have a great holiday. Stay safe. No drinking and driving. Bye. Teleport. Transported totally. Yeah.
No, Ali.
Hi. Oh. Hi. First time drinking water. Let's see, pick up. Ha ha ha. Go. Show me.
Oh, here now.
I've never had a man shave my arm before.
You don't grow hair.
No, I don't. I'm Asian. So far, the most painful spots right about here and here. But besides that, this wasn't bad.
button and that fool's running super fast.